Hey guys, today we're going to be playing some Stellaris. I've got a little bit of a small empire going here. I'm hoping to get some things going. I just kind of started. I've got a couple colonies going. This is my home world. You can see it's pretty big. We're these kind of plant guys. I'm really looking forward to this game. It's really, the start of the game's gone pretty well so far. It's looking really good. I mean, look at my home world. It kind of looks like Earth, right? We've even got a moon going out there. Decent amount of people. I really think this is going to be the start of a great playthrough. So we're gonna sit in here and
Scientific breakthrough.
ooh, we got a new research going on. What is this? What is this thing? That's a enemy Colossus. What is that? What's going on here? What is... I don't understand. How do I fight it? How do I have some I don't have any ships. I don't know how to deal with this. What is it doing? It looks like it's opened. I don't really understand. What the fuck is that? Is that an invasion? That's like an armada.
The enemy is targeting
They're
one of our-
bombarding my planet!
The enemy is targeting
The devastation's going up. What the fuck? What? No.
destroyed one of our spaceports.
Oh, no. Oh.
Situation log
What?
updated.
What?
The enemy is targeting one of our stations. Initiating tactical. Scientific breakthrough achieved. The cowards have destroyed one of our spaceports.